How to tell if your aircon needs servicing. Is your aircon not cooling like it used to? In Singapore's hot and humid weather, having a working aircon is almost a must. To keep it running shiok all year round, regular servicing really makes a difference. But how do you know when it's not just routine maintenance you need, but urgent repair? Here are some common signs your aircon might need immediate servicing. Got water dripping from your unit? That could mean the drain is clogged or the fan coil unit is choked. Still leaking? It might be insulation piping or some worn-out seals inside. Not feeling cold anymore? Your coils may be dirty, gas levels may be low, or the compressor may not be functioning properly. Is your family getting sick more often? A dirty aircon can spread dust, mold, and germs, which can seriously affect your indoor air quality. Does the AC take forever to cool the room? Let our professional technicians check it out for you. Hearing weird sounds? Something could be loose or dirty inside. The blower, or even the component parts may be faulty. Instead of guessing what's wrong, why not let the pros at Kung Fu Helper do a full checkup? We don't just offer general servicing. We diagnose what specific service your unit needs. Whether that's clearing a clogged drain, topping up gas, fixing a leak, or doing a chemical overhaul. No guesswork, no unnecessary replacements, just what your AC really needs. So, if your AC is giving you trouble, don't wait until it fully breaks down. Book your appointment today, and let's get your home cool and comfy again.